Alright guys, before we get started with this video, I want to tell y'all I really appreciate y'all. Shout out to 3,000 subscribers, baby. We actually got a few more over there. But I appreciate y'all. I'm going to keep doing what I got to do to get this car on the road and make y'all happy. Stay tuned, baby. Midnight coming now. Yes, sir. 275s on the back. Yes, sir. She going to be extra sticky. Alright, gang. So, what I'm about to do here today, I'm about to back this here car out the garage. About to back him out. And I will be putting this here rear end right here on my truck because y'all see all the oil that I'm leaking, and I need my baby in order to go bring this shit thing to get tuned. So I don't have no ignition in right now. I'm gonna see if I can start it with maybe just turning that solenoid. If not, I'm gonna have to try to jump the starter relay off. Let's see what we got. Yes, sir. We got some sunlight today, baby. Sunlight. About to knock this rain out. Ooh. That back end looking good, huh? Man, again. Oh, we got a race car. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. All right, gang. So I did manage to go ahead on and get my man outside. Y'all see him over there? Now, I'm about to go ahead on and take care of these parts. I'm about to shoot some clear on them. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to install this rear end on my pickup truck, gang. So y'all have a blessed day on this here Monday, January 31st. Hopefully CJ called me, tell me come pick up the Hellcat, baby. Yeah, holla at me, CJ. What up, YouTube? Old boy Random here checking in, gang. Today, I'm going to show y'all how I install this here glass. I know I did another video on it in the past, but I wasn't too clear on it. So I'm going to give you all the details that you need to know about it right now. So, first, this here, there's a pin. You need that pin in there. That's going to stop it from the glass from coming up so far. If you want to adjust your window to go to the outside, this here is your adjusters right there. Y'all see those two? Okay. Then you got a couple 10mm nuts. You see that one at the end down there on the track. You got one right here. You also have another one right here. You got a stopper right here. And you also have another piece. It's not on this here side, but they have a stop on their side, and I'll show you as well. But I mean, that's pretty much it to getting that window out of there. So you got 5 bolts, and this is just another little stopper. I'm gonna lock that down and show y'all. We got it plugged up. We got the window in here installed, and we have it working as well on this 85 Montecarlo. Just trying to clean it up, get it roll ready. Let me lock this shit down right quick. Okay, so y'all see those. I'm gonna go ahead and connect the battery so I can tighten that last one up. All right, gang. She ready to crank, baby. She ready to crank. Y'all see that RPM gauge working, but I gotta tweak it a little bit. So what I'm gonna do here, y'all see that bolt right there? I might be able to get to it without even moving that window. Let's see. Yep. Okay, so that's perfect. Alright. And that's all the bolts that you need to remove to take a window. I locked these here down already. I'm gonna just feel and make sure. Yeah, they lock down. So you'll need to remove those stoppers, like I say, or the alignment guides. Remove this here pin right here. Stops the window from coming out of there. Another stopper down there at the bottom. You see that guide? And let's roll them up. Okay, so we all the way up right now with our glass. So I'm gonna go ahead on and put that door panel in. The door lock's not working. It was working before. I'm gonna have to do a little troubleshooting on those and see what's going on. I'm gonna throw that door panel on right quick. Like I said, the lock not working yet. Gotta do a little troubleshooting. It was all working before. Everything was perfect. But we do have our window working. Y'all see it. Alright, gang, so that's pretty much it to your glass. Y'all see we got our trim on this side, we got the sweeps on this side, got some parts I've been painting up just for the upper seals right there. I had to repaint this one here for the rest of the trim. There's actually this corner piece right here. You see it's actually two pieces. It was one, but the rivet came loose. And I had a little run on that one there, so I had to repaint it. Now I just gotta clear all these parts. Once the weather get right, I'm gonna throw that on, get all of that right. And I mean, that's pretty much it to it. I just gotta install the upper door panel now and get these head door locks working. Y'all see I got the seals and everything right there. So I guess I can, well, I can't put the passenger driver side on until I get that trim installed. But yeah, other than that, that's pretty much it, guys. And this here stopper, like I was saying, that we had to lock down before. The last one that I locked down is actually stopping right here on this here. It's like a catch that it locks into. So it's open at the bottom, and then they got a prong at the top on the other side of here that it catches into. So you can adjust that as well to keep it from going up too far. So that's how you install this here glass if you ever need to remove it. I showed you how to install the door panels. Like I said, we're gonna troubleshoot those locks, try to get those in. Now on the driver's side, there's another little piece. All right, gang, so this here is actually the stopper that I was talking about on this side. And as y'all can see, it just slides through there and goes right there. So I'm gonna add him on once we get to this side. I just wanted to show y'all that since I had mentioned it. So with this throttle cable here, y'all see I need to, you see it's rubbing right there. Probably gonna grind that down, try to do something with it. Or I might just leave it like that. Cause if I grind it too much, it might have a sharp edge. At least it's rounded right now to where it's slipping. But you see this cable, full throttle, it hits that mount right there. So we need to get rid of that. I'm gonna see if I can cut it off and just grind it down. So all I got me is some lineman pliers right here, electrical. See if I can cut it. I was able to cut it off, and now I'm just gonna have to grind it down. Once I grind it, get all the clear. Alright, gang, so I did wind up grinding that tip down a little bit. You see it's not as pointy as this side on that angle. It's clearing a little better. I probably could grind it down a little more if I wanted to, but I think that's gonna be pretty good. Y'all see we've been working on this harness here, cleaning it up a little bit. She getting a little better too as we go, guys. So yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Hey, one more thing, YouTube. I want y'all honest opinion. Y'all think them tires look too big? What y'all think? Do they look too big? Y'all see how the front of the car sitting down a little bit? What y'all think about these tires, YouTube? What y'all think? Got something for y'all ass, boy. Y'all wanna run? Holla at me. We can line it up. What y'all think, though? Talk to me, baby. Yeah. Y'all get in the comment section and let me know. And see how the front sit down a little bit. I mean, I could drop the back, but I can't too much because I did something to it. Don't go broke trying to keep up with me, nigga. I got something for your ass. You ain't gonna never be able to catch me. All it takes is a little simple modification. And this bitch gonna be at 1,000 horsepower. Your pocket that deep? Alright. Now it's time for me to talk my shit. Everybody been talking shit the whole time. Now it's time for me to talk my shit, goddammit. You hear me? Let's get it.